Barothi TV, wega umaga na muciĩ. Tabarĩra ĩno nĩ ya kwĩrorerwo nĩ mũndũ wothe.
Reke njuge atĩrĩrĩ Barothi. Okay, ndaingĩra borithi ũguo tondũ twaingĩra training ri. I got the shock of my life. I got the shock of my life to do training ri. Training wathi training ri. It's not like any other training.
Sure.
TTC, teachers training college. You get things different. So I got the shock of my life when I did go training here. But nilimaliza tu anyway. Lakini when you work with the people who are wise, you become wise.
Okay.
When you work with people who have that faith, strong faith, you also become strong in the faith. Mimi nilishika hiyo na nikasema hata mimi sasa nitaamua kama Danieli, sitanjinaji. Now the time came, tukaenda Kiganjo. Sijavaa tracksuit. Sijavaa trusa yoyote, nimevaa tu skati zangu zenye navaanga. Aya, when we reached Kiganjo, it's like hell it opened itself. Nikasikia instructor amesema like tomorrow saa 9 kila mtu wa kiwanja na tracksuit. Githie kwe instructor wa mbere yali mutumia. Imera ni ndikira mufuto. Ona horo majira wa tracksuit ri ni disease tracksuit. Akenjira we hiyo maneno sijaisikia hapa. Hii ni Kiganjo, hii dunia ingi. I remember one time in the morning my husband told me, I think it was during the holiday. Akaniambia kama hutaenda kanisa ukae hapa. Na kama utaenda hizo kanisa utoke huko. Haya. So I remember on that morning, ilikuwa like 6 in the morning, on a Sunday. Nikamwambia unisema aje ati usiende kanisa? Akejera wathi kanitha guku ndugacoke. Ngimira niguo. Nguri gitu tikuraihu. Kwa ugo no ngunia ndoire. Ngekera ngocia kwa hau. Na gikia ngonia mugongo na gikate.
Ndigukiuga karaifu kanyu kari gakuthi muno.
Ha kanitha niho harehe gathina. Tondu ni wahonoka. John the Baptist alisema you police be satisfied with your payment. So kenini uguo. Just manage that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. No atari undu muhuthu ucio kuri aruti a wira aria. Gwa kahinda karaya matuko-inĩ mathiangu, andũ mangĩakire nyũmba matiakorogaga mametigaga tĩri thĩinĩ wa floor. Magĩũka macenjetie ũrĩa mĩaka yathiaga, o nginya makĩanjia gũkoroga floor. Ũndũ ũyũ ndũikarire mũno, matataũkĩirwo nĩ njĩra ĩngĩ ya gũtũma floor enyorokio na yakwo dogside na makĩona ta yathakara. No maikaikara magĩciria tiles nĩ cingĩatũmire floor ĩyo ĩgeme ona makĩria. No marora floor ĩyo matiaiganĩrire nĩ kuona harĩ ũthaka wagĩte wa mahũa na kĩndũ gĩtekwenyũkanga ona kĩngĩnyihia heho nĩ ũndũ wa ciana na andũ akũrũ. Rĩu ĩtĩkia kana ũrege, hau nĩho mataũkĩirwo nĩ wega wa gwĩkĩra terrazzo floor-inĩ ciothe, corridor-inĩ, stairs, flat roof igũrũ, cioro, riko, bafu na nja na kũngĩ kũingĩ. O rĩmwe makĩona gwathakara, ngoro ciao ikĩiganĩra. Na nĩkĩo rĩu Express Terrazzo Center Bypass ĩrĩ haha nĩguo gũkinyĩria itanya rĩaku harĩ wĩkĩri wa terrazzo floor-inĩ ya nyũmba ĩyo ũraka guothe bũrũri-inĩ. Mafundi maitũ nĩ mohĩgĩrĩire harĩ wĩkĩri wa terrazzo na ũbacĩrĩri mũnene, magĩtũmĩra materials cia gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra wendi wa ngoro yaku nĩ wahinga. Express Terrazzo Center Bypass tũkwendagĩria materials na tũgagwĩkĩra installations. Tũcerere Ruiru bypass ya Kamakis harĩa Karũgũrũ wahĩtũka RFH Hospital, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ 0798 333 000. Mũrori wa Barothi wa Thayo TV, ngatho nyingĩ mũno nĩ ũndũ wa gũcagũra kwĩrorera Barothi wa Thayo TV harĩa hothe ũrĩ thĩinĩ wa thĩ, Kenya, Africa na thĩ yothe handũ ya rũma. Tũgĩthiaga na mbere na kũhe pole arũmĩrĩri yothe ya kanitha wa Catholic nĩ ũndũ wa kũhurũka gwa Pope. Hĩndĩ ĩno maracakaya na thĩ yothe hamwe tondũ aragĩcakayo nĩ thĩ yothe. Ona ithuĩ tũgakinyia pole citũ kuri andũ othe arĩa makĩmũrũmagĩrĩra na mũno makĩria arũmĩrĩri a kanitha wa Catholic thĩ yothe handũ ya rũma. Poleni sana mahinda-inĩ maya mũragĩcakaya gĩkuũ gĩa pop. Gũkũ nĩ gwa Barũthi wa Thayũ TV na tũkĩrĩ o kĩmudi-inĩ kĩa gũkũngũĩra Easter nĩ tondũ nĩ gĩthiraga oro rĩmwe nĩ kĩrĩ thikũ cigana ũna na nĩgetha tũingĩre session ĩyo ĩngĩ kuona maarĩo matirũka thĩinĩ wa ũhoro wa Kristo, koguo harĩ na matĩna maingĩ mũno before tweherete kĩmudi-inĩ gĩa Kristo, na koguo no wega ngĩmenye Easter yaku ĩrahanaga atĩa, ngĩhokera arĩ njega na nĩ njona ũthiĩte na mbere na gũkũngũĩra na njĩra njega mũno makĩria. Mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ ndĩna inspector tondũ rĩmwe na rĩmwe nĩ twendaga gũikara tũkĩrora ngathĩ ciothe na mĩena yothe, na kũrĩa injiri ĩcaceire andũ meciragia atĩ kũrĩa gwa borithi gũtirĩ injiri, gũtirĩ andũ ahonoku. Andũ meciragia borithi, wona borithi ahana mbara matiũĩ kiugo gatagatĩ ka macio na mangĩ maingĩ. Koguo mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ ngĩrĩ na Inspector Sophia Wambui, akoragwo oimĩte kũrĩa Kĩrĩnyaga no atungataga harĩa Gĩgiri rungu rwa Diplomatic Police, no nĩ ndiũĩ nĩ agũtũhe icio ciothe. Ona nĩ ũtwĩra kũrĩa athomaga kanitha gatagatĩ ka maũndũ mangĩ maingĩ, ũrĩa mahunjagia tondũ nĩ akĩhunjagia mũno. Ndĩkĩrĩ haha kũmenya maingĩ megiĩ ũtungata wao, especially ti kũrĩ andũ, ti ũtungata ũyũ wa borithi, ũtungata wa ekitengo-inĩ kĩrĩa arĩ, ũrĩa mahotaga gũtungata Ngai matarĩ na guoya na mategwĩtigĩra. Na hihi ũtungata ũcio nĩ ũtũmaga raia mamone ta marĩ andũ soft thĩinĩ wa wĩra wao. Macio mangĩ maingĩ tũkorwo tũgĩkũrana tũrĩ haha. Koguo Inspector Sophia Wambui tũgũkorwo tũkĩanĩria nake. Ndĩ mbere ndaya tabarĩra ĩno ĩrũgamĩrĩirwo nĩ Express Terrazzo Center. Aya nĩ akĩri a Terrazzo Kenya, aya nĩ akĩri Terrazzo thĩinĩ wa kaunti ciothe 47, na wĩra mũthaka mũno 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 mararutĩra andũ thĩinĩ wa manyũmba mao, thĩinĩ wa mĩako yothe ĩrathiĩ na mbere Kenya, thĩinĩ wa mĩako ya ma apartment maingĩ ũrona magĩakwo Kenya, flat nyingĩ ũrona igĩakwo petrol station, ma hostels ũrona nyingĩ igĩakwo Kenya, macukuru maingĩ ũrona magĩakwo, mĩako ta flat roof, mathibitarĩ, bengi, macukuru gatagatĩ ka mĩkawa na kũrĩa kũngĩ guothe kũragĩakwo, na makanitha maingĩ nĩ marekĩra Terrazzo, na aya nĩo mararuta wĩra ũcio wa gwĩkĩra Terrazzo thĩinĩ wa Kenya. Na rĩu nĩ ngwenda wĩke wega waranĩrie nao nĩgetha makorwo magĩkũrutĩra wĩra mũthaka kũu gwaku. No koraka flat roof kana oraka mũciĩ waku wa gũikara bungalow, hihi nĩ maisonette, na tondũ stairs-inĩ na compound na floor-inĩ yakuo na kũndũ gũgwĩtwo basement na parking, koguo the kũrĩ batara kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo Terrazzo flat roof, na kũrĩa common area gũthe gũbatara Terrazzo. Nĩ ngwenda waranĩrie na Express Terrazzo Center tondũ ũcio nĩguo wĩra ũmũrĩhĩgĩrĩire mũno, na nĩ ngwenda ũmahe wĩra tondũ acio mararuta wĩra ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire. Marakwenderia materials cia Terrazzo, magacoka oho magakũrekomendera mafundi mohĩgĩrĩire thĩinĩ wa wĩra ũyũ, magoka magwĩkĩra installation. Marĩ harĩa Eastern Bypass area ya Kamakis, o harĩa wahĩtũka ngĩthiĩ hau nĩ nĩ ũkũmakora, na toro ũguo tu ningĩ no mahũrĩre thimũ 0798333000 0798333000. ũngĩthiĩ harĩa kuma RFH Hospital harĩa Karugũrũ 300 meters nĩ kuona signboard cia ndune iria cirakuonereria harĩa nduka ĩrĩ na ĩrorete kana ng'etheire barabara ya bypass. Koguo no macerere ũmũthĩ mũcire nao wanyita ũhoro ũcio. Rĩu ndĩkĩrĩrie na kũrĩa kwa mandũ megwĩtwo Hekalu Company Limited, na nĩ ũĩ Alfred arĩ o kũrĩa US akĩriunga matũra, na nĩ kũrĩ na kĩgomano kĩnene mũno kũrĩa Houston kĩa a Kenya maratũnganĩte makĩarĩrĩria ciĩgiĩ investment na maũndũ marĩa mangĩ mothe, na ndĩrarũmagĩrĩra kwa hakuhĩ mũno 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 makĩria, na representative wakwa nĩ CEO gwĩtwo Alfred no arathiĩte kũrũgamĩrĩra Hekalu, na nĩ njũĩ nĩ aramaheire ndeto njega mũno ĩgiĩ project tũrakwenderia kũrĩa Konza ĩretwo na Kala Gardens Konza, ĩrĩa tũrendia 495 peke yake. Imagine cash kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 2 kana 595 installment ũrĩhe na mĩeri 5 with a deposit of 100k. Ĩno yarangenia tondũ ĩrĩ o mita 800 kuma Old Mombasa Road 3 to 5 kilometers kuma the current Mombasa Road kana main gate ya Konza. Na no gũkũririkania atĩ kiumia kĩhĩtũku Mheshimiwa KJ wa kũrĩa Dagoretti nĩ aroigire atĩ Konza nĩ gũkorwo ĩkĩrugũria KAIST University kana KAIST University gũkorwo ĩkĩheo charter thiini wa mweri umwe kana eri ukite na icio ni ndeto ngoretwo ngigukunyira haha kwa hitho muno no riu ni irakiumberia king'ang'a-ini ndukariganirwo CS wa Home ni aroigire in the next 2 years mundu teko developete mugunda wake kuria Konza City thiini wa ku city ni rikara ithu twija thiini wa city ni kwa gitunyo mugunda wake no mamwe ma maundu mari magu ni gutuma riu nawe haha nja ugure torathama ugure kugura toyana beno ngoikirie mafu na details cia guku amugoro turagwenderia brotini 50 by 100 ni kuirige gwekirwo gate ya ihiga na toro uguo tugatema fran tugekira bacons thogoro twakwenderia wa 495 na inclusive of title deed weo kuona video no niyo erahinga 5% offer iria tukoretwo tukiheana thiini wa Easter koguo no wega umenye we wona video no tamaka we no we okuheo offer ya 5% acio angere kuma riu magukorwo magithie nomo koguo no wega werorera video no menye wahura thimu immediately ugukorwo wi thiini wa offer koguo wona wahura thimu ukoiga wona video ini no nigetha tumenye wi thiini wa offer 0798008008 0798008008 mahinda mega ngoro ngikaribisha Inspector Sophia karibu sana.
Thank you.
Riu ni ndakira ni gukuona guku na muno makiria ni undu wa kuonania interest cia guka kwaraniria na andu akwa tuteretange nguga guka na uniform
asa tutietekeretio ni watho kuna limitations
nego very good no ri mugethie injiri mutikigire guthie nayo
fatia kuhujia na uniform by the way
haya
ni kule mahujia no nditi watu tiagereire
era yende ko ri kita mutikire soft muno
asa
all right good ni ndakena muno riu ni ngikoretwo guku na andu ingi muno maturumagirira wa mbere tagwo Inspector Naomi Dua ni akoretwo agiturumirira muno makiria hari riu na murata wakwa ungiukoragwo hari etagwo Inspector Delito akoragwo hari Case Police Station mena Madam Mary onake akoragwo ku he madam murata witu ungiukoragwo hari Wilson Airport etagwo Corporal Mary Thenji akoragwo kuri ya airport ya Wilson na ingi muno hena wi kuri airport ya Mombasa Moi International Airport etagwo no ginya nginyie ngeitho John Githungo no mugekuyo bado hari airport ya Mombasa hena murato ngi witu turumagirira ti moyo ni muikamba etagwo Karuti akoragwo airport ya Malindi gucinto interactaga nao ni undu wa gukigera airport icio mamenya no ginya mandugamie hena Mr Gikandi akoragwo DCI ha Kayole and we have Domi akoragwo kure Buruburu Police Station hamwe na ngitangehota kugweta kina Gitonga kure Central Police Station na aria othe maturumagire tundi na namba cio haha na kina Sergeant ndakwira Sergeant Mary wa Case Police Station and of course kwina Paul Nyoro akoragwo hari abanga-ini hamwe na aria angi othe magiturumagirira ndaguthomera acio nigetha menye gukorwo giturumirira kwina ngeigi muno maturumagirira koguo no makene muno gukuona guku umarugamiritwo gutiri uri woka ha yes huthira kamera no geithio
na nie togo waigwa muthikiriria jitagwo Sophia Wambui mawira-ini majitaga wa Gesi na ndina gikeno kiingi muno gukinya kwa baruthi muthenya wa umuthi getha twaranirie nicie my journey with the Lord ono horo wa honokio ono horo wa wira nigetha andu mamenye atiriri borithi ni ihonokaga na okay kuri tari kuri hindi ingi ndaingirire matatu na ngeigua ndereba akiuga borithi ikoragwo ngoroku na ni ndari hau mbere ngimwira sati othe makoragwo akoroku akijira he gutire muborithi mwega ngimwira aca ni kuri borithi njega aca na ngimwira niguo tondu nie ndi muborithi na ndire mukoroku so I'm here to say that borithi ni andu mendete Ngai na mahujagia Ngai uyu amen
good andu mwigire borithi iria njega ihithagwo na kutha-ini itionekanaga muno ndikika we ukoragwo bara-ini kana ukoragwo kitengo-ini kiriku maybe no wega twambiriria hau
okay ni ngoragwo Inspector wa borithi kuria Gigiri kuria Diplomatic Police Unit ngoragwo desk-ini ya Jeddah na muno tu dira na diplomats na maundu ma embassies yeah
Alright, very good. Kwanyu ni kuna ihenya muno no wega ni nyendaga rimwe kumenya kwa mundu itajire mwa kuhota ku encourage andu aria makiri itura tuire tutonini tungenda gutwika tawe.
Gwitu ni Kirinyaga, Kirinyaga County, Mwea West Sub County, turaritago ria Kiandegwa.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, good. Kugo kuno kuthomeire.
Kuno kuthomeire primary.
Okay. Gacoko gagiuko ka
gathie secondary. Ngarikia gathie na mbere noguo.
Tareke tumenye haria muno di kwenda gu focus muno na rugano rwaku no ni kwenda kumenya oro wigi salvation no tungata waku hari ngai thiini wa borithi undu uria kaingi wonekana gatatari undu wa kawaida wakora handu crusade na borithi ni wonaga to tatari gwagu no korwo kiona no karigwo muno kana borithi maraina riu ri wa mbere ingirie borithi atia.
Okay. Ketuge ni gehian maybe gusoka hau thutha giane karwana wakwa in details. Hanini. Atogwo ndakwira ndathomire thukuru wa muthingi wa Kiandegwa primary. Na ngihituka wega ngitwo thukuru wari wetagwo Kiburia Girls
no dia kugongerega thauti.
Ngicoka riu ndiahotire guthie ndathire thukuru ungi wetagwo St Teresa. No ndiakirikirie ku ni ndathire Karoti Girls. Thutha ucio ni ndarikirie na ngihituka wega by the way.
Okay.
Ngicoka riu ni ndaingira Kenyatta University. Ngathoma itarikitie the last year the final year ngaona wira wa borithi. Ni kuri mayanti ajurie kana no wira wa borithi. Ngimwira no nyende na tondu hindi yo ndari thi muno ndari metwo ni kuri fees ya tamu ya mwisho. Koguo nilikubali tu.
Okay.
Na ngithie na ngijoin National Police Service. Ngitrain for 15 months. Na ngiuma riu na ngiambia gutungatira Kenya.
Okay.
Borithi.
Wa trained 15 months. We munini no watoire wendete wira ucio kana ni kiundu gia gukorire ni kurio worio wa wenda ori mwe
ni circumstance tondu ndieciragia ati ona no ndwike muborithi tondu ona ukothie ndathoma Bachelor of Commerce riu ngituire commerce na borithi ntiraingirana wega koguo no kiundu gia gukorwo riu ni mawira ni magire haha ni hoka opportunity you just venture in
koguo wikite Bachelor of Commerce
njikite Bachelor of Commerce
koguo borithi ni thomu
borithi ni thomaga mufaru ndona muthenya ungi ati Akenya makiuria borithi niki mureka thukuru ni mwarigire guthoma icio no ya Butel Girls
waingetia ngazi yukuru
marora borithi niki ireka thukuru na ni mwarigire guthoma kamera atiriri borithi nduri athomu we know how to speak good English not to environment wakora ni twario giki broken Kiswahili na but we are learned.
Okay.
Yeah.
Koguo giki broken ni mandatory
Ti mandatory no ni surrounding environment ni dictator
okay
how you speak, how you relate with people.
Ndiuragia githori gikiaragio Nairobi ni borithi no kiaragio Mombasa ni borithi
ketuge twa okay go dictator na environment uri hana koguo ni ugukora borithi ni arenda ku rhyme wega na andu koguo no nginya warie kuringana ground.
Okay.
No uri andu marerewa
no tuge borithi aria mathoma makiria ni makorwo na tutura tunenanene hihi thiini wa kiria
okay leke tuge niguo tondu tanie by the way gukorwo the inspector wa borithi it's due to my uthoma gwakwa na gwikira kio tondu ona ni thomangite we ni thomangite na tuge guthoma no kuandaga kuongerera madaraka.
Okay. Koguo gathomo ni kega.
Gathomo ni kega.
Nigakwambatagia
some extent.
Kiroto giaku thiini wa borithi onoko ti ukothire wendete ri ni wiciragia rimwe to kenda gutwika inspector general kana maybe ito no gaukimenya mundu we borithi ri nyona muikekera mukiambatagio ranks he depending na githomo na utungata na wigiririki no ni kuri levels hihi mundu andimayaga ri thiini wa borithi kana iganagira ona eri imwe
asa okay nothing but the best is good enough for an ambitious man and a woman for this matter So bodo ni endaga kwa batira and I'm not an exception. Yeah.
Wewe da ukinyaha.
Kujenda kuthina wana inspector general. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Haya, riu. No ingira wira wa borithi. No akorithi uria weciragia. Borithi ciana korwo cithukiirio ritwa na makona gwatatari andu na rimwe ni undu hihi wa enforce mawathori kana enforce law tondu ni wira we akihetwo na atumwo maandamano ni athie maandamano no hakorithi uria weciragia tariguo hihi kana kiria wakorire tari kio ngiendire kahe handu wana kinyo kigoto gucenjia kothio
reke njuge atiriri barothi. Okay, ndaingira borithi uguo tondu twaingira training ri I got the shock of my life. I got the shock of my life to do training ri training ri it's not like any other training.
Sure.
TTC, teachers training college. You get things different. So I got the shock of my life when I did gora training hiyo. But nilimaliza tu anyway. Lakini si vile nilikuwa na nini natarajia. No nidakirikirie by the grace of God na riu toka ground na guo wira to muhuthu wa borithi ni kunjikaza na kujua hiyo ndio umeitiwa na utafanya.
Weta mutumia ri are there challenges gukorwo because I think we get we kaire tukanito mundu university ni mundu munini.
No, by the way nikyo gweldia rugano rwakwa nene muno tutiginathie in details. Ndaingiririe de mugima biu ndina muthuri na ciana igiri. Imagine ndaingiririe 2013. Ndio ndina muthuri, we have been married for like I got married very early.
Kawahikire wao alikia shukuru.
Ndio ndahikire de thukuru.
What do you mean?
Ni ndathomaga ndina muthuri na mwana.
Abotige. Wahikire weke.
Ni ndaikire de tukeduge de form 3.
Kogu ndwari mwega uguo.
Atiriri ndari kaire tukega muno bae. Ndari kaire tukega.
Nega iregwire tha.
Ndeke gwire atiriri ni tumundu tukaga uginyo kari gwa atiriri. What is this? To maundu tu. I was a very good girl by the way to my mom and to the rest of they knew me as a very good girl. Hahitanire handu hanini tungikora. Na tondu wa riri reke njuge atiriri okay ngicoka thutha rugano rwakwa muthuri wahikirie hindi iyo ni athomithagie by the way kaga kundu toro ngikorwo githomithia mundu mathabu and by the way ndihikite just in my home area.
Okay.
Koguo ni nyumite ta haha ngaika like 300 meters. Muthuri wakwa ni wa itura.
Amundu githia haraihu.
Atiriri kwenda ndagira atiriri ndwabangite kuhika
ni mathabu
ona ndwabangi ni mathabu na githweri na chemistry. By the way he was a very bright guy. A very bright guy to twathoma thukuru imwe nake. Na tugithoma ndiamenya kana ena interest by the way na nini ona kairitu kega nako na kairitu gakanga no gatwike okay tutulia nini few. I was in class, I think class 8 yeye pengine alikuwa form 2 hivi. And I remember sometimes alikuwa nikitoka shule ananikaa kwa barabara na sijui mimi nafikia nataka kunichapa. Naenda namsema kwa andiko yangu kuna kijana ananichokoza na naambia nitamshika nitadili na yeye. So ndiamenyaga ena interest. So kuna wakati alitoka yeye amejoin Kiamutugu Boys.
Okay.
Ametoka shule one time akakuja kuniambia unajua ulisalimiwa na one of your relatives tunasoma na yeye huko. But after something asiju. Nikasema nimesalimika and that's all. But he kept coming and in the course of interaction nikarealize ya kwamba this boy is blight. So akaanza hiyo ako form 4 mimi nishaenda high school sasa niko form 2. Siko naelewa chemistry. Na yeye chemistry si anaielewa. Si anani.
Mungu naye ni nani?
Mungu naye ni nani? Si akaanza kunifunza chemistry na hesabu.
Wacha uanze kushika.
He explains. Nikajua sasa hata kama sipendi huyu jamaa bana, huyu ni mtu akupenda. Sababu ananionyesha hesabu na shika. By then nilikuwa nashika napata like D kwa chemistry because I was bright, but kuna ile ilikuwa inanilemea chemistry.
But you see, ladies used to relate with bright guys. Bright guys hawakuwa nang'ang'ana kupata mtu.
Sure. So wakati ananifundisha hivi, ananifundisha hesabu nini, alinifundisha yote basi. And I remember at one time he was telling me, hey, I want you to be my future wife. Naambia hapana. Mimi hesabu ya kuolewa siwezi fanya. Pengine nipate mimba. And that is what happened. I got myself pregnant. I didn't know that I was pregnant even in high school. Damenyagade pregnant 8 months. I was so naive, a small girl, ana mambo mingi, lakini sasa it happened.
So now,
damenyaga I'm pregnant.
Leo wake up there. Ukwela sheria there.
Ni okay. What do I say now? Damenya okay, they were pregnant 8 months. Na sielewi na sijui. People are speculating. Other people na wanaona kuna, lakini mimi I'm very naive, sielewi. So nikakuja holiday nyumbani. Mamangu suspected that there is something wrong. Ndio akaniambia nitakupeleka husini nijue kama ni mimba uko nayo. And surely we went to the hospital na tukapata ni mimba niko nayo. Na mimi hata sijui.
Sasa umejifanya uko innocent na kuna kitu umefanya.
Kitu sijafanya kitu, ama innocent girl. Hey, I got the shock of my life. At you are pregnant. Mamangu agebea na hiyo. Tukaanza kutafuta mahali kwa kufanya abortion. We went. All the hospitals are Kirinyaga. And that's why I say, wakati Mungu akona mpango na wewe mzuri, atafunga njia zote za kufanya uovu.
Lakini hata abortion ya miezi 8 jamani. How do you even do it?
You know
who can even risk?
Sikuwa najua ati ni 8 months. I thought sikuwa najua ati ni 8 months.
But you see, daktari before wanilisi lazima wakupime.
So, wakati tunaenda kwa hizo mahospitali, hata they are not giving us an hearing ear to sikilizi. So, wanasema sita tufanyi. Mpaka I remember there's a time tulienda kwa hospitali, tulikuwa tumesikia kuna another lady alifanya abortion kwa hiyo hospitali the previous day.
Ati tuko na history, wacheni kutuambia ati
mtoangi tunajua.
Kuna mtu alitutuma hapa.
Kuna mtu alituambia hapa. Akasema we don't sita tufanye hiyo maneno. Unaona? So it's like actually Mungu hakuwa anataka hiyo maneno. God was in it.
So mzazi hakuharakisha kuuliza ni ya nani?
Hata kuniuliza. So what happened, aliniambia you do siku zimeisha za shule, you go back to school. When you come for the holiday the other time, unajua hata yeye ajui mimba ni miezi ngapi. Tutaenda nakupeleka Nairobi. Unaona? That was the deal between me and my mom. Now nimeenda shule with the fear that now I know that I'm pregnant. Unaona? So what happened, nilianguka one of the days, nikaanguka assembly. And you know there were speculations. Watu okay, ilikuwa inaonekana mimi ndio sijui, ni kama mimi ndio sikuwa najua.
Okay, wewe unajua vile ulifanya lakini haujui uko na mimba.
Sijui kama niko na mimba. Na mimba ni nini sasa? I couldn't understand, I couldn't take it. So what happened, nikaanguka assembly and the administration took me to the hospital and it was confirmed I was pregnant. Because I was nilikuwa top performer by the way. Nilikuwa performing, nilikuwa na position 1 2. So hawakutaka kunifrustrate, so waliongojea tu wakati wa plebs wanafunzi wako class wakaniita. Come pick your things, we are taking you home.
Mambo imeharibika sasa.
Sasa hiyo nimeingia form 4 first term. Mambo imeharibika. Mambo imeharibika.
Atuzuri ni umebakisha mwezi mmoja udeliver.
Na sijui mimi sina habari by the way, lakini that's the reality. Nimebakisha mwezi mmoja. So hata ile deal ya madhe kusaniambia tungojee holiday
na haiwezi work.
Sasa haita work. Of course nilipelekwa huko na gari ya shule by the way. Nimepelekwa nyumbani na gari ya shule. Na sasa nikaenda nikafika home. I went to the boy, to the man now with very angry, nimekasirika. I don't
amekuharibia masomo.
Nimeniharibia masomo nini and I asked him, are you ready to be a father? Are you ready to be a father? He said, let me go and think. That is the answer he gave. Let me go and think.
Wanaume ni wale tu.
Nakwambia.
Ndio kitambo.
Let me go and think. Then me I went back to my place. Na yeye sasa the following day akakuja akaniambia yes I'm ready. Na mimi mwenye anasema ako ready ni amemaliza form 4 the other day. Yani anangoja kwenda campus. By the way hata alikuwa na barua ya kwenda campus kwa university. Ananiambia ako ready. So inside nilikuwa nafikia tu yeye anasema ako ready lakini sasa huoni maisha. Unaona? But surely I came to understand that he was truly ready. And he loved me. Na namsalimia pahali popote alipo.
Is he the same husband when you connect sahi?
Yes.
So he was serious?
He was serious. Men can be serious.
Haizi kufunza hesabu na upotelee hivyo.
Hakuna. Alisema hii lazima nianguke nayo hii.
Men are rare breed.
I'm telling you. So what happened? Sikukaa home by the way. Sikukaa home because of the kuaibika, kuona hiyo aibu.
Wa mama kukakuwa talk of the village.
I'm the talk of the village. They knew me as a humble girl. Now what is this? So I had to learn.
Maka watoto waezi waambiwa wajifunze na wewe.
I'm not a good example anyway. So nilipoteza kwa auntie yangu. I had an aunt by then. By the way from the same village also. Same far. Kwa village members wangi far. So they are just within. But at least I could get solace there. I went to live with my aunt. Sababu ya akuwa na bwana akiwa ameoleka. She was living alone. So nikaenda kukaa na yeye. Alikuwa anaenda kazi asubuhi anarudi jioni. So I could stay in her house. Nafikiria unajua ile unawaza yani kila siku ni mawazo unashangaa. Mimi hata nilikuwa nafikiria commit suicide ni vinyo nilikuwa nashangaa what do I do. Kama sikujua wakati huo sitawaijua. Sitawaijua. So nikiwa hapa kwa aunti yangu the man was coming. Tunaongea na encourage.
Home bado nakupenda.
Don't you worry I love you. They was like what do you mean? Now my life is wasted. My life umeniharibia maisha. But at least wakati amekuja we can talk and I have some solace. Alafu jioni akijua masaa ya aunti yangu anaenda. The following day anakuja. By the way alikuwa anakuja kuni encourage. Na tukaendelea until one day nikamwambia okay akiwa nasikia some peace. Akikuja I have some peace. Ni sina stress inapungua at least. Lakini akienda stress ndio hiyo inaanza. So one day I told him you come for me. You come for me. I want to go and stay with you. You come for me. If you come for me today, sasa unajua imekuwa ni mchana. Naambia nikujie jioni I want to go and stay with you because I can feel at this is the only place I can get peace because nilikuwa nasikia nikiwa chini kabisa. So what happened nilimwambia lakini mimi nilisahau kama nimemwambia nikujie. So hiyo masaa ya jioni nienda kutembelea aunti yangu sister yangu mwingine ako tu within the village. Siku nakumbuka kama nilisema nikujiwe. So I went to visit my sister. Na nikienda kwa sister yangu I spent some time. Nilikuwa natoka huko usiku wa kitu wa saa 4. So yeye alikuja niendea kule kwa aunti yangu akapata siko. So wakati natoka kwa sister yangu sasa niende home napatana na yeye kwa gate ya sister yangu. Nimekukujia. And then we went home. That is it.
Na mkaenda kwake?
Na tukaenda.
The rest is history.
Na tukaka the rest is history.
So mtoto ukapewa?
Mimi sasa nimekuwa okay of course wakati nimeenda kwake it's like we are children both of us. Mimi ni mtoto na yeye bado ni mtoto. Ni mtoto
lakini baba na mama.
Sasa tukakaa mtoto akazaliwa. Unajua by the way wakati nilikuwa nimeandikiwa unajua mimi sijui kama niko karibu kufungua. I don't know, I'm not aware. Wakati nilikuwa nimeandikiwa kwenda kliniki ya mwisho ndio hiyo siku napata mtoto. Mtoto amekuja. Now I am a young mother. And a young father.
So for how long ulikaa na mtoto ndio urudi shule ukamaliza shule?
Nilipata mtoto mwezi wa 3. So nikaa na yeye the whole year, the whole that year. Nikarudi the following year nikarudi shule.
Ukakaa ni kama umerudia shule?
Nikakaa ni kama nimerudia shule. And of course kulikuwa na mambo mingi sana. Wazazi unajua the same village. So ulikuwa unasikia marubano ya wazazi huko, mtoto wangu atarudi shule. Nini. You see? Unasikia maneno tu huko. Lakini my husband was telling me don't mind.
Okay.
I am the one who married you. Hata kama watu wetu wote hawatakupenda, mimi nakupenda.
Yaani mwanaume anasimama na wewe mpaka unasikia.
Anasimama na mimi.
Niko tu na amani.
Because people are talking. People are talking, hawa ni watoto nini wanafanya? Kaka mimi leave wachana na hiyo maneno. Mimi nimekuwa I love you. So after hiyo mwaka yote sasa the following year nikarudi shule. In fact nilikuwa nafikiria na mafikiri yangu nilikuwa nafikiria nitaenda day school niendelee kuchunga mtoto. My parents said no. We are taking you to a boarding school.
Why? Hey.
I'm taking you to a boarding school. Wewe papa, wewe kwenye utaacha mtoto mimi.
Shida yako.
Of course, niliachia mother-in-law mtoto. Na nikarudi shule. I went to Kaloti Girls. Kwenda Kaloti Girls nikapata zile set books zimechejiwa, so I had to start afresh. Nikapata sina mwalimu, class yenye nilipelekwa sina mwalimu wa geography. I learned on my own, but I still performed. I got a B+, a B. I got a B plain. Yeah.
Kwa hivyo isipokuwa ni huyo mtoto. Yule hesabu na chemistry isipokuwa ni hizo.
Imagine nimekaa home for one full year, of course full year. Na nimeenda na nikapata mambo imebadilika na nimemanage B. So asisemangi ni isipokuwa ni mtoto, but anyway, that is it. I got a B. I came home. Na yeye bwanangu alijoin mo university, and when I joined hivyo hawakukaa kulikuwa na ile strike ya lecturers.
Okay.
Extend sana. So na nikumbuka nikitoka shule first term nikikuja holiday ya kwanza, I found him in a river washing my clothes and the baby's clothes. I was like, oh my god, this man is serious. So mimi sikurudi kwetu by the way. So nirudi kwa bwana.
Wow.
So nasoma form 4 nikiwa na bwana na nikiwa na mtoto.
Lakini wazazi wanalipa tu.
Wazazi wanalipa school fees.
Kwa hivyo walikuwa bado wanakupenda.
Walikuwa wananipenda. And then I remember maisha ikaendelea, nikamaliza form 4.
Okay.
Bwanangu aliniambia.
Na sasa yeye anaenda mpaka 4th year.
Alienda miaka 5. Alikuwa anafanya engineering 5 years. Alikuwa anafanya engineering 5 years.
Hiyo marriage manze.
Nakwambia lakini
atunangojea bwanako afunge shule na hakuna pesa anapata shule.
Imagine.
Kai.
It was like
sasa mtoto mnamlea na nini? Ama mother-in-law sasa hapa hivi?
Mother-in-law anatulisha sasa.
Na mother pia wako anakusupport hapa kule.
Unaona.
Huyo mtoto naweza tamani kumuona.
Like now ni kijana mrefu kuliko wewe sasa. Sasa yeye ananiangalianga hivi. Ananiangalia hivi
anajua history.
Hata sasa anjui. Pengine isikie leo kwa dada. Hata saa zingine nasemanga huyu mtoto ndiye nilikuwa nataka kumuua. God forgive me. And I will encourage those people who call abortion. It is evil before God. It is not good. Weza huyo mtoto. At least utakuja kufurahia tu at some point.
That's so nice.
I'm telling you.
Yani kutoka kwa hesabu na chemistry, familia ikakuja. And can imagine uko shule, huyu ako shule. Lakini mnajua nyumbani kuna boma yenu. Yani nyinyi ni wazazi lakini mko shule.
Nakwambia.
Na mtoto ndiye huyo ataingia shule mkiwa shule.
I remember hata wakati nimemaliza high school sasa nimekuja nyumbani. Bwanangu kuna kitu alinipromise. Utasoma mpaka watu walikuwa nakuchekelea. Waone kweli wewe utasoma. Utasoma mpaka wakati masomo itakutosha.
He must be one of the dream husband wanawake wanamuonanga kwa maisha lakini hawajui atatoka wapi.
Imagine. Alisema utasoma mpaka tu wakati masomo itakutoa. Juzi wakati nimemaliza my masters alikuwa ananiambia you want to go back and do PhD. Namwambia hey wait, bacha kwanza nipumzike. Yeah, he meant business.
Anataka kufanya mpaka PhD.
Nikamwambia acha kwanza nipumzike. So he meant aliniambia utasoma mpaka wakati utatosheka na masomo.
Wow.
Na masomo. So what am I saying? Wakati nimemaliza form 4 nimeanza kuhaso hivi. Okay, alikuwa ananipea pesa yake ya help. Nafanya biashara. So tukaanza kuwa na pesa.
Hii pesa ya help hii.
Tukaanza kuwa na pesa wewe. Nikawa mama biashara. Tukaanza kuwa na pesa. Pesa ikaanza kuingia sasa tuko na pesa. But I remember akikuja kumalizia aliniambia I want you to go back to school.
Okay.
hata yeye ndiye alinichagulia course yangu Bachelor of Commerce, najua ni nini. Unajua yes, at least yeye amejoin campus anajua the courses.
Yes.
So I received 2 letters I remember. Ya University of Nairobi and Kenyatta University ni chagu. Sasa mimi ndio ni economist, even I think in nature. Nikachagua ile iko na fee kidogo. So I went to KU nikafanya hiyo bachelor. Na ndio sasa hiyo mwaka wa mwisho sasa nikapata hii job ya polisi nikajoin 2013. And that is it.
Wow. So according to ile course uko na ile pesa unalipa kwa polisi au kutaka kufanya course, I mean kuenda job yenye ya course yenye umefanya?
Okay, sasa wakati nimepata job ya polisi na wakati huo tulikuwa ukipata degree yako nikitoka nilimaliza. So ukimaliza tu hivi unakuwa salary yako iko inapandishwa immediately hata kama hauna rank but you have the salary.
Wow.
So hata ile kazi nilikuwa natafuta nikaona it's not paying like what I'm getting.
Wow. Kwa masomo is key.
Yeah, masomo is key.
Okay.
Masomo is key sababu wakati huo hiyo miaka nilikuwa natafuta kazi kama Equity Bank. Nikia compare salary yao wacha nibaki kwa polisi.
Okay.
And that is it.
Kwa hivyo polisi wanalipa vizuri.
Okay, wewe sema ati ni vizuri sana lakini by then compare na by then ukicompare na ile salary ya trainees, kama trainees. Ilikuwa afadhali. Unaona sasa napata mshahara ya inspector hata kama mimi ni constable. Yeah, because of masomo.
Okay.
Mimi ni constable lakini napata mshahara inspector. So you couldn't compare.
Ukitoka inspector unaenda
chief inspector.
Chief inspector. Kutoka hapo
unaenda ASP, assistant superintendent of police.
Okay. Kutoka hapo
SP, superintendendent of police.
So ufike inspector general ni
ni gada vale wewe. Ni gada vale.
Leo before tukite inspector abagilia constable.
Utombagia constable.
A sergeant.
Uko corporal uko sergeant.
Okay, constable, corporal, sergeant. Okay.
So uko senior sergeant. Ningeza uko kede inspector.
Okay. Anyway. Ikarugano.
Deuri
no wagia muthuri no wathoma na wagia wira. Gatoka wira-ini waku wa borithi. Gũcendo go shift ta kinyara go jito kwa githo. Tutikuririkanaga. Tukora githweri by the way.
Kwa githweri. Pole. Pole.
No kana igira wira wa borithi. Wira wa borithi nduoneka wi muhuthu hari atumia depending na department ire waikio. Ndwakinyira handu ukaiguaga uyu wira ngano warume ni ngwehera.
Okay, ni kia ni challenge day ni uko ni watiga family ni wathi to first posting yako ya Eldoret anatuikaraga Ruiru. You see na you are recruit constable yani riu nduri na ndugitugatinye gukua family uthii koguo no anda bada matika nda baguthie ni ndio hata ni jipange na nini so kuikara utari na family yani uramenye kuikara na family na twana twakuna kina it was a bit challenging na okay hata I remember there was one of my pastor alikuwa na because I have been a Christian all through.
Okay.
I have been a Christian by the way. I got born again in ona dinako heka rugano kangi kegi honokio haria wambiriirie ndarikia thukuru form 4 ni mboke maisha ni matwikire hard a bit na onatiga gutwika hard by the way ni dedete guy from the very beginning.
Okay.
So nilikuja nikaokoka.
Okay.
Wakati niliokoka I faced a lot of persecution. Because from my family they are Catholics.
Okay.
My family is a Catholic, their family is a Catholic.
Okay.
So I faced opposition. Sitaki kanisa mbili huku. Sisi ni Wakatoliki. Hii mambo ingine ya kuokoka ni gani sasa? And I think my husband told nake ugisi horo wa kanisa dwa mwigirite ogoi. So na yeye aliwaunga mkono to some extent. So persecution came and I love Jesus innocently. Nampenda Yesu tu. Na nimesikia I need to give my life to Jesus.
Okay.
So wakati niliokoka haikuwa mzuri sana na mimi. Uhoroto wa gadwa makenirie muno including my husband. So ni abije kuni persecute onake hanini.
Okay.
Na at one point akijira icio kanitha nduguthie. Urithia Gatholiki. Na ni ndi mundu mwatheki by the mutumia mwatheki. Ndi mutumia mwatheki ona riu. Koguo nĩ ndathekire for some time. So kagĩigua aca.
Ũcio tiwe.
Aca.
Ndũigua wĩwe.
Aca nĩ niũ. Nĩ gathoreki.
Kabaye gũgĩthiĩ handũ ha gũthiĩ kũrĩa ũtarenda.
By the way nĩguo ndoigire. So I stayed at home.
Okay.
For first week, second week. Nikaona hapana. I need God.
Okay.
Na Catholic sitaenda. So I remember one time in the morning my husband told me, I think it was during the holiday. Akaniambia kama hutaenda kanisa ukae hapa. Na kama utaenda hizo kanisa utoke huko. Haya. So I remember on that morning ilikuwa like 6 in the morning, it was on a Sunday. Nikamwambia unisema aje ati usiende kanisa? Akijira wathi kanitha guku ndugacoke. Ngimira niguo. Nguri gitu tikuraihu. Koguo no ngunia ndoire. Ngekira nguo ciakwa hau. Na gikia ngonia mugongo na ngikate.
Ndigukiuga karaibu kanyu kari gacuruthi muno. Kuga hena
ha kanitha niho harehe gathina. Tondu ni wahonoka. Na ningiuga atiriri I love Jesus. So no ginya by the way I sought some advice from one of my uncle at most of the day. Akijira kama nisienda gotisho. That is what I did. Meyo gotisha. So that is it. I went nikapack nguo zangu kwa ngunia and I went to my parent place. Simbali 5 minutes walk you are home. So that is it. By then we had money.
Okay.
We had money. I was a businesswoman. Tulikuwa na trade na mchele. So tulikuwa na pesa wewe. And na pia tulikuwa na mchele. Unajua kwetu mchele inakuanga ni liquid asset. So ni pesa, tunahesabingi ni pesa.
Okay.
So when I went home, na my friend yugi twahoyaga nake, ni twahoyaga muno nake. By the way she's late now. Koguo ni twahoyaga muno nake ni kareji muno. By the way ngaikara muciĩ thiko ya mbere ya kerĩ muthuri ndaroka ya gatatu muthuri agioka riu oka na mafujo
haya
oka na mafujo ndenda mbeca icio ndathia nacio ndahũra nacio biathara nĩcio arenda niĩ tondu na ndikĩna ũru nawe niĩ no mbeca ndatarire. By then miaka ĩyo nĩ mĩingĩ niko na ndari na around 50,000 45-50 koguo ndatarire ngiri 50 ũguo ngĩmũnengera akĩinũka athiĩ rĩu reke my family mamenye ndaheana mbeca reke manyingĩrĩre we one mbeca waheana ũkũrĩ mabuti na niĩ ngĩmera ndĩna Jesu reke thiĩ mabuti na ndathiĩ mabuti na ndĩna Jesu I was determined to follow Jesus.
Okay.
So akamuthuri ndeiganirire the following day agioka akiuria mbeca iria turagurite shares cia Safaricom ni hindi cia Safaricom yendagia shares. So you had bought shares of worth 30,000. Mbeca iria turagurite shares cia Safaricom ri nicio ndirenda. Ngimuria muthe shares Safaricom matienire kwendia shares. Sasa nitakutolea pesa wapi na unajua tunanunua. Wait until they nini wanaanza kuuza niuze nikupatie pesa yako. So akatulia. Haya, na ile mchele iko kwa kisiagi, enda uuze ulete hiyo pesa. Nikasema okay, nitauza nini? Nitakuletea pesa. Yani he is coming with issues. Anaenda unajua ni hapo tu. Anaenda na come with issues za pesa.
Hiyo ndio shida yako kwa karibu.
Pesa nataka pesa. By the way I gave him everything. And na kama aliona sasa huyu mwanamke atishwi sasa. I remember the last day on Saturday he came. Sasa ameitisha pesa yote
Naisha.
Sasa amekuja kaniambia ajarudi ndio soke mushi. Ni wati.
Ndio sio the net.
Ndio sio the net. Ndio akanoni digarite kanya atia. Kijira na sasa nataka urudi home. Nakwambia mimi unajua nakupenda. Sina shinda na wewe na sina na kurudi home. Shinda ni kanisa. Kwa nini unanikataza kwenda kanisa? Mimi nakupikianga vizuri na kuoshea nguo vizuri. Kanisa kwani nimekufanyia nini? Hapana. Sitaki hiyo kanisa. Unaona? Sitaki hiyo kanisa unaenda nini. Mimi na ningemwira nani Catholic ndigũthie. Akijia ko nduguthie Catholic hiyo kanisa hiyo ndirathie niyo atare by then ndathia faith evangelistic ministry. Ngimuria ko ndwenda
fem gukwa evangelist elimu
yari gwitu gicagi nimuria ko kanitha nduramienda ina ni ndenda Catholic ndukicagurira turithiaga kanitha ya kiro to ni ndiraigua atiriri me I need God I need this spiritual church akeja turithiaga ACK ngimwira sani ACK no ta Catholic no mutaratara ni ndiguthie ACK kimera sagurenge yakiro ho akijira niturithiaga full gospel kimera yes I have no problem dina thina na full gospel so niturithia full gospel aya nitugagithie rucio wa satari ko tuwa nitugagithie rucio kimera ni sawa kiinoke nitugatucemania kanitha kejira aca nie ndiragotiga nie ndiragotiga ngimwira sa ni ndamenya ndacoka na nukangiria guthii kanitha wethi tukorane kanitha rucio ya full gospel so akiuga aca nitugathie ngimwira ndatwarwa na Bible haha I was a serious Christian ngimwira oya Bible yo abarari iguru wihite ngimwira oya Bible ndio hiyo Bible inua juu kilia kwamba tutaenda kanisa kesho hiyo full gospel tutaenda na wewe akachukua Biblia juu I have no option I have no option I have no option but go back with him so nikasunda nguo zangu kwa gunia tena nikarudi nyumbani
hiyo wakati mlikuwa mmebeba nguo na gunia
nilikuwa unajua sasa ni hapo tu
tama hutuba ngombe
Kira nguo gonia ine na guconga ndo gonia they are ready available tuhuragira mucere they are ready available so ni ngikira nguo ciakwa gonia ine tugithie mucie by the way twakinya the following morning true to his word sijaiona mwanangu akiwa smart hivyo wakati huo alifaa vizuri
kumbe bwana ameteseka hizo siku umeenda ndio
ndwaregete so ni the bathera ni turathi kanitha but I don't know what happened along the way maybe he will tell me toludi amenye nyo mothe didame kwa pengine I would like him and elbia nini kitendeka sababu tulikuwa tunatoka twende kanisa and he said no wacha nibaki tu wewe enda baradhango kwa wakati sababu amenifungua ameniruhusu hata kama yeye hanjaenda ameniruhusu so na ningi metodo dona nwali gatuthi kwa tuwita uforo wa faith wa full gospel ndio horo wa full gospel so I just go to my church yenye naenda hiyo faith kaniambia ukigo and I went that is it so uhoro wa kwenda gaidade ngaitene na ndulita nyendete ngai nginya ndathie college ya borithi ona ndauma I have been a Christian but you know ore mundu athiaga endete ngai ri okay ngayugaga atiriri seek me and you'll find me so ndathie na bena na kwenda ngai makiria nginya riu ngimenya horo wa holiness revival ministry ngijoin tondu ndirikanaga atiriri the safari niyo ya kwenda ngai I could see myself I'm born again but issues are coming they move for the thaici but I'm finding myself na tondoine twaingie tumahitia tuingie ore turia no mutu wa borithi nginya rathi kirabu ko ya besa nona but I'm still born again I love Jesus then I was feeling guilty ngenda kumenya
wakora no urekora wihia-ini
no ndekora wihia-ini tumaundu-ini but I still love Jesus na nilikuwa kuna hindi mndakira ngethikira ngoria atiri God mnapendanga nini I hear you talk of holiness what is this holiness I remember one time nilikuwa nasoma kitabu ya Matthew 6 kale huga atiriri at first seek the kingdom of God and his righteousness and the others shall follow nona how righteousness mathotha maki wa ngai na utheru wao no thigu wao alafu in the Matthew 5 yuga atiri blessed are those who hunger and thirst after righteousness so I was asking God uthigu yo niki what is this holiness you talk about what is this righteousness we talk about and I remember one time I went to the YouTube nika type hiyo jina holiness Isiniletea, unajua wenye unatyping na kuletea mambo mingi. Isiniletea hiyo Holiness Bible Movement Worldwide. Na nikasema nisikize message yao mo. That is what I did. When I listened to it, nilisikia, hey, this is what I want. This is what the preaching that I had wakati huo, nilisikia this is what God want. So I started following them. Kumaforo. At one point nikaamua nitakuwa mshirika. So I contacted them na nikawaambia I want to be a member of Holiness Bible Movement Worldwide. Sababu before then I was in another church. I was a leader. Na kando sio leader igwaga, I'm not satisfied. Much as there are issues in me, I can see even bigger issues in the members. For example, me personally, I hate indecent dressing. Okay. Naturally, kuna tumia mehubete uru. Uhoro no wajibwa okay ndaigwo kihinyiria muno. But look at my people. Look at the place and worship. They are all almost naked. I was like, God, is this holiness? No. So that wali na mtumio sio wetagwo Andra gono overseer wa Holiness Bible Movement Worldwide. Wakati tuliongea na yeye, ndaigwire this is the place to be. Okay. Uria huji mramya mogi ajina mundu dakasiga na unani kumenya mundu ya hana atia. So we talked with her na nikajua this is where I belong. Na nikamwambia I want to be your member. And innocently I joined. Okay. Leo ria ndagirize Holiness Bible Movement Worldwide leo ndabie kuthoma the doctrines what they teach. Okay. And at one time nisema mimi maya ndihota ne mathie muno, this is too much. Tondu guthii ukore uhoro wa doctrine cia ndu ciake dressing and adornment, uhoro wa mutumia ndagekira mufuto, uhoro wa restitution okay tondu ni uhoro wa watho hanini ri restitution is one of the punishment awarded to the offenders in our judicial system. Kwa thina wa Christian na restitution ni uhoro wa gucokia ringi indo woyete kana ki ile hali ya kurejesha. Kwa ule ndai uhoro wa restitution ni at you must do your restitution, that is what we say. Nikajiuliza sasa, I have been a police officer. I have been taking some things here and there. How do I restitute?
You take bribes.
Andrenda gucita bribes.
Ona imwe cia kuheo ingĩ cia kweteria.
Ingĩ cia kweteria. Okay, so ni ngeigua
ndiano wahota gwitia.
Asa by the way ndihota gwitia. Ndihota gwitio uguo by the way, lakini unajua kuna ile urathiĩ gikirabu waru wa mahauja ni moe mkubwa kwa mlango.
Tana moe ke arenda. They know the language.
They know the language. So okay, that is your restitution we this is too much. Na ngiuga atiriri ni giki niki o mawe. Ni asa. Ona thondete kiride ri. I need to think about it. Na nikapanga sasa hii sitaendelea nayo. It's too much. By the way, the Holy Spirit gave me a scripture in John 6 verse 60. The true disciples, the true apostles, they don't quit. Hata mambo ikikuwa ngumu. Hapo utaona ya kwamba Yesu anaambia watu wanatoka kwa Yesu, kwa huduma ya Yesu. Ndio maana huduma ya Yesu because of the hardness of the teachings. Sure. So I had to remain. And now I preach, and that is what I preach. Because nilishika na Mungu akaniwezesha. It was not easy, by the way. Uhoro wa police work na salvation. Now this new salvation. See ile nilikuwa nayo ile nominal, we call it nominal Christianity.
Just a Christian.
Maybe by name.
Ana metagwo riri. Ekaritwo metagwo karia ka gospel ya feel good gospel. Mo Cristiano hana riri. Mai meiro toine.
Yona. Just
yani do ya hana mai meiro toine. So no mo Cristiano tu tu igwe no mo Cristiano.
Ndio mo Cristiano wetu anademera ate game kwa nini hujaje by the way chakaga evangelism ona baadhi nini hujaje mno cia lofana kile. Demeraga atiriri. Demeraga wanajenda kanisa kujaza viti. Ama kuwa kwa register ya
kanisa.
But they don't do God. They don't know the standard of God. Because if they know, they watapasifu. Ya kwamba hii nawaambia ni ukweli. Ni ukweli. Because when you look at our Christianity today, it is the broad Christianity. You know, Jesus talks of two ways, the broad and the narrow way. So ukiangalia hii ya siku hizi, it is broad Christian. Watu wataki kuambiwa ati kuna ugumu. Wanataka tu ikuwe soft. Come the way you are with your sins. Unaona? So leo ohoro wa holiness na borithi na polisi wake haikuwa rahisi.
Okay.
Haikuwa rahisi kabisa sababu hapa naambiwa don't wear trousers. We wear trousers in police work. And I remember one time kuna wakati when I was learning about this holiness, todo kumita hara yananga igitwa kuga. Tondu horo wa holiness yoyo ndwambĩrĩria rĩu kũrĩ mũtũrĩre wakwa wambĩrĩrie tene. Because hata ndio nivae trouser yangu ya kwanza. I remember nikirudi nyumba niligicoka thutha hanini. Nigetha ngure mũfuto wakwa wa mbere. My husband ani alikire mo university. Wakiwa la final year nimetakagirio kuona mudurumu yake when we were in the final year. So he invited me in the campus. So sasa kwa akili yangu nitaendaje? A village girl, unajua village girls wenye wanakaanga zile.
Kuna venye utaki kuchoma.
Sasa sitaki kuchoma.
Loko wako wewe ni machoma kaponori. Tukienda kunigiwa choma kwa
mbulimu. Choma muno. Kwa I went, I bought a trouser, nikabuy ka jeans kazuri na kakoti. So that at least near. But unaona sasa hiyo ilikuwa kuangalia kwangu kwa mambo na vile So nilibuy ka jeans na nikaenda, we had a good time with him in the university campus. But then alafu venye nimeingia college Kenyatta University. Tunajua tu vile venye wana dress.
True.
So you know how they dress.
Of course, yes.
So niliingia ndani ya kuvaa hizo vitu. And I remember one girl I was admiring. Alikuwa anaitwa Josephine. Alikuwa anavaa vizuri by then. Sasa nilikuwa najiuliza inside me, kwa nini nisivai kama huyu msichana? Nini nataka kufurahisha watu? So hiyo mambo ya holiness it has been ilikuwa kwangu. But it was not coming out properly. Because I remember one time hata with my other friend twathire ushirika hindi mwe handu mutumisha twakoria kiambia gutwira atiriri ni aragiyo wikira mufuto ni Ngai na wikira nguo nguhe na tinagana wikiraga ici midira twahuranire moko tugitheka tondu tuna kama amepagawa. But then when I went home I was like, why were you laughing? Tondu atwiraga atiriri hata nguo yangu naona ni fupi imevaa na hede usitore sie maruine na yake kuna ragwa ni nguhe ngamuria tukorania atiriri tukacheka tukimwangalia unaona taguthekerera mundu gukona takataranyita maundu. So later on ndio nilikuwa nafikiria so God wanted me to hear. That was my message but I didn't know. Okay. So ona hedi ndida hujio guoi hedi mwengo hujia na mfuto na ngaigwa no it's not coming out properly. Na hedi mwe Holy Spirit akaijira ati wewe sasa ukiwa umevaa hivi utahubiria nani asikie. And I remember one time my sister visited me. She's not born again. Akanitembelea akona longi na mimi niko na longi yangu nimemzindikisha. The Holy Spirit administer kwangu akaniambia sasa wewe unasema umeokoka na mko na sister kwa pamoja kwa what's the difference? Sasa hata mkienda hivyo
utavutana na wewe ndiye rahisi kuvutwa.
Sasa wewe tofauti yako na sister yako ni gani? You see, so hii bato yangu ya mavazi na Mungu it has come from far. I remember one time wakati Mungu alikuwa ananieleza hataki hii mavazi mbaya. I was like, God, unataka nivae nini? Sasa nikaanza kununua nguo refu za kanisa. Lakini kazini wanajua bado naenda na hizo nguo fupi because I want to keep class.
Okay.
Mungu anaendelea kunieleza mimi sitaki hizo nguo fupi. I'm like, Mungu sasa unataka.
Na sasa kazi yenyewe unafanya?
Na kazi yenyewe navaa ni nivae longi. Lazima nivae longi. Ni nini sasa? Like I'm a police officer. I must dress in a trouser. What are you saying? And then by the Holy Spirit nikasikia na minister kwangu kwanza niache kuvaa ya long ya civilian. Ndio hii ya kazi atashughulikia. So I obeyed. Nikaacha kuvaa ya civilian trouser. So lakini bado navaa yaka. Lakini in our ministry tunafumbilia kwamba mwanamke azivae either longi ni longi. And I was like, hii ni ngumu. Tafanya nini sasa? So I remember one time I went to my commander and Mrs. Lindia. I salute you wherever you are. Sasa ni OCPD huko Mombasani huko. Nikamwambia madam, mimi naomba unipatie skirt. Aniambia ndavaa kama wengine. Then I was discouraged, nikatoka kwa ofisi. Like niko down. But we are still preaching. Women should not wear a trouser. Tena mafundisho hii ya holiness si tuna okay, there are biblical teachings iko kwa Biblia lakini watu hawajui. For example, hiyo mambo ya mwanamke kuvaa longi, it's very biblical, but you see what almost every woman is wearing a trouser, even the so-called Christians. Hata wahubiri. The other issue is about these makeups. Artificial beauty makeup na nini. Even the preachers are into it, very much into it. But ukiangalia Biblia vizuri na venye nimekuja kuiangalia, the Bible is against this makeup, this cosmetic beauty. Unaona? So to me na police work haikuwa inaingiana vizuri. So I really struggled. But I remember one day nikiwa kwa hiyo siku nilikuwa nachunga mlango. You see, polisi ni wachunga milango. So I was the one opening the gate. And the madam now from my commander. Akakuja akaniuliza, Wangeshi, kazini wananiitanga Wangeshi. Wangeshi, kuna maneno? Nikamwambia hakuna maneno madam. Sasa wakati amepita ameenda, nikajiuliza kwa nini nimemwambia kuna maneno na venye niko na maneno mingi. Maneno niko na mingi, bora nimemwambia kuna maneno. Sasa nikasema akirudi nitamwambia niko na maneno. Ile maneno nilikuwa nataka kumwambia ilikuwa ni kwamba aniruhusu
uvange skirt.
Hata sivaa skirt. Mambo ya skirt alikataa.
Okay. Kwa hivyo hutaki kumforce.
So I don't want to force her. So nilikuwa nataka kumuomba aniruhusu nifunge kitambaa kama wali.
Okay.
Why? Because the Bible teaches as a woman, ukienda ku minister ama when doing any spiritual duty, your head must be covered. And here I am, nilikuwa nafundisha watu neno kwa parade yetu, nilikuwa nasomea Biblia na mimi ndio nawaibisha na mimi ndio I was doing that spiritual duty. And I was feeling guilty ya kwamba ninafanya kama sijafunika. So nilikuwa nataka nimuulize, madam, nisaidie ama niruhusu nifunge kichwa kama wali these police officers wali wanafunga kitambaa ya black. And I had also another reason ya kufunga kichwa. The other reason ilikuwa ni kwamba mimi although nimekuwa na nywele ndogo, sijawahi kuwa nimelea nywele. So nilikuwa na nywele ndogo. Na hapa Biblia inasema kwamba mwanamke asinyoe nywele na asishuke vitu kama piece nini. And my hair is small. How do I manage it? So nilikuwa najua hata nikifunika na hiyo kitambaa, I'll shuka line zangu, line hizi zinaitangwa ambali mama. Nitashuka ambali mama nywele ndogo na isionekane shaggy. So I had two purpose and two reasons. So that is what happened. Wakati amerudi nikamwambia, madam, niko na maneno. Nikwambia sina maneno lakini niko na maneno. Nikamwambia, madam, niruhusu nifanye nini? Nifunge kitambaa. Within that time tukaanza interaction. Nikamwambia, madam, mimi according to my faith naomba ya kwamba ndio nisiongee kama nisikosee watu, ni kama nawaombilia kama sina kitambaa nisaidie nifunge ruhusa nifunge kitambaa, alafu ndio hata nishuke hizo lines nisiaibike zikikaa shage. Kaniambia there's no problem, funga wewe, funga lakini usifunge ile kumbwa, funga tu kidogo tu ka light. Nikamwambia thank you madam. Iko kitu kingine Wangeshi? Ameniuliza hiyo, iko kitu kingine? Nikamwambia unakumbuka ile kitu nilikuwa nimekwambia ya skirt? Pia hiyo naomba skirt. Unajua sasa nikapata ground sasa ya kumubi. Nikamhumbilia nikamwambia
nani alitumwa tu na Mungu kuuliza kama uko na maneno. Nikaanza sasa take ground, hold ground sasa. Nikaanza kumhumbilia about hizi hata kucha za kuongeza hizi wanawake wanaongeza nini. Akaniambia naona siku hizi wasichana wangu wanaongeza hizo makucha. Sijui hizi mambo ametoa wapi. Nikamwambia ni dhambi, ni makosa. Haya, I think hiyo interaction nikaenda mpaka akafurahia. Akaniambia, nikasikia ameita, "Kopro, tafuta mtu achunge hii mlango na Wangeshi nifuate."
Hey, akanipeleka kwa store. That time I was working in the police quartermaster.
Okay.
Tukaenda kwa store. Akaambia the commander wenye alikuwa kwa store, pea Wangeci yoyote yenye anataka. From that time nikapata skati ya polisi. And let me tell you Farudhi, skati ya polisi ilikuwa skati jega. Ndiko na mkato na ndumekera skati mikato. Ndimwana mikato na mekera wane yake. These are demonic slits. Ikoragwo na izuno riega ria haha thutha, box print, a very decent skirt. Kwa ngifundithia uhoro wa these slits, ndimeraga atiriri, what is the need of that slit unaweka hapo? Kani wengine wanasema ni unaweza kutembea. Can't you think of another thing like that box print? Kwa hiyo from that time Farudhi ndidekera mufuto wa borithi. Ndidekera mufuto wa borithi. Kwa hiyo ndaheo skati, a very good skirt. I was comfortable now. I was at peace. Now the problem came. Wakati huo bado nilikuwa constable. Ndio inspector sijapata kitambo. Dario constable wa borithi. Now the problem came wakati tumeambiwa we are going to be promoted to the rank of inspector.
Okay.
Na barua imekuja. Barua ni ya promotion. Na ni 12 requirements cia ku join Kiganjo College. One of the requirements is tracksuit. Tracksuit ni mufuto. Alafu the other uniform zote kwenazo. I was like, sasa stress ikanianza. Depression. Madaraka promotion imekuja, lakini sasa imeniacha na depression na stress. What do I do? What do I say? Mimi saa hiyo ni fudete. Ate nima mtumia tafati kila mfuto. It is in me. I even preach it. Now sasa nitaambia watu nini tena? Gira mayovasia uria likura kuhana. Nitwathi college promotion ni jiga. I have been waiting for it. But there no requirements. Akejira wa Sophia. Unjaribu kuvaa yellow. Kama inside me I was doubting. Nauliza these people, they know police training college. They think it's like teacher training college. They know. So wanani encourage pia watu wa kanisa, we have a WhatsApp group kwa kanisa. Wanani encourage, don't wear trouser, don't. Hata kuna, I remember there's another teacher kwa hiyo group. Alikuwa anani encourage. Hata mimi kuna wakati walikuwa wamesema sijui tuvae trouser mikakata. And I was like, this woman, had you training ya police? You know, I have been there as a constable for training, so I know the strenuous, the nini ya police. What do they mean? That means by trouser. But they really encouraged me, and I thank God for the brethren. When you work with the people who are wise, you become wise.
Okay.
When you work with people who have that faith, strong faith, you also become strong in the faith. Mimi nilishika hiyo na nikasema hata mimi sasa nitaamua kama Danieli, sitanjinaji. Now the time came, tukaenda Kiganjo. Sijavaa tracksuit. Sijavaa trouser yoyote, nimevaa tu skati zangu zenye navanga. Aya, when we reached Kiganjo, it's like hell it opened itself. Nakasikia instructor amesema like tomorrow saa 9 kila mtu akiwanja na tracksuit. Mimi ni tracksuit wa boy.
Saa 9 usiku.
Ni.
Okay.
Ni tracksuit kweli ni. Gimenya leo nikuthio kwambia kuyariria. I want God again for myself. Ngithie kwe instructor wa mbere yari mutumia. Imera ni ndikira mufuto. Ona horo majira wa tracksuit ri ni this tracksuit. Akenjira we hiyo maneno sijaisikia hapa. Hii ni Kiganjo, hii dunia ingi. I was not satisfied. I was like, do I compromise? Do I do what? So do ha ni hali yawe.
Career versus God.
Career versus God. Lewe githi kuri ungi. Akinjira we hata hiyo maneno hajaisikia. Maneno kama hiyo hajaisikia kwa hiyo college. Hajaisikia maneno kama hiyo kwa hiyo college. What do I do now? I was tugithie kuria twakomaga the girls there twakomaga na makinjira tiriri, don't worry, tutakupatia hata kama ukubeba. Okay, I had to tell them mimi sivangi. Pia nao wanacheka. They like, what is this? What are you saying? What wao wanakuchekelea. What are they saying? But don't worry, nilikuwa nimebeba kadhaa nitakupatia
Moja.
na nikapewa and I took it. Lakini asubuhi ikafika nikaketi kwa kitanda. Nivae ama nisivae? Nivae ama nisivae? Nikasema sivai. Naenda venye niko na hiyo linda yangu kwa hiyo kiwanja. Nione kama sitakimbia. Career versus career, as you have said it. Career versus God. So tukaenda kwa kiwanja. Of course I was very huge. Wakati huo nilikuwa nimekula. Hata sasa unaona nimekula. Ndio to ido twako Leo twagia nyale ndo nenda hinanagia ku thiini. No ri henya ria bia no gutigwo thutha we ndio wa uzito. No gutigwo thutha. Reka ndikone na kiria na kirinda kiu. No nani yoko na linda? Instructor. Nani yoko na linda? Nani yoko na linda? Ni mimi saa. Kesho nisikuwa na hiyo linda. Okay, anyway, to cut the long story short. Mimi niliamua na nikasema kama ni kuresign I will resign. And surely I was taken from one panel to another. Nikiambiwa andika barua. How will you train a skirt? Explain to us what will you do. Okay, and that. Now, me, I was very confident. I could answer all the questions. I could present myself well. And finally I was told, let us give you a benefit of doubt. Wakati nisikia hivyo, let us give you a benefit of doubt. Nikajua yenyewe Mungu menipigania. Nilikuwa tukashonewa tracksuit za yellow.
Okay.
Nikashonewa skirt ya yellow. Wakati wako tracksuit ya yellow, mimi nakimbia na by the way I was celeb Kiganjo. Nilikuwa celeb.
You know what you want.
I know what I want. At the end of the day,
umesimama na Mungu wako na yeye asimame na wewe.
Exactly. And when you mean business, God scores all the heaven to back you up. That is what happened. I trained for those months na nikamaliza. Hata kwenda huko kwa kichaka huko. Nilienda with my Django skirt. And I remember wakati tunamaliza course, one senior officer aliniambia, "Wapi skirt lady?" Because I was unique of a kind. Nilikuwa celeb. Wapi skirt lady? I was like there. Mimi napiga masaluti zangu nikienda mbe. Akiniambia sasa tunaenda kuwa maosias na wakubwa. Be determined like this lady. So they were watching me. They were watching me, how I do, how I behave. And surely so I was determined. And surely God has brought me this far. And namshukuru Mungu na nonyenda kwira andu atiriri. When you mean to please God, kana rira watu itwa na wathikira Ngai na kumwenda na wika uria endete. Atumaga all the host of heaven.
Okay.
Makubak.
All right.
Yeah.
He, ndatigokeria. Ndagece kwa nithirire. No ndoigara kethikiririe tondu ha party ndarenda korire.
Yeah.
So, nigetha urugame na Ngai. No nginya utue matua.
Sure.
Ndukanoige ati ni circumstances ciatumire, ni career yatumire, ni wira watumire, ni andu matumire. You should not have excuses. Simama mpaka mwisho.
Ona rimwe nyonaga andu ngihunjia no nihunjagia fiu by the do evangelism. Na ngihunjia ruga makejira. You know kazi yangu. Ngamenya these people they don't know what they are saying. Mundu igaga wira haha, ukaiga Ngai haha. Ukawe. Ukamenya rutura wa mwena uliko. But when you see mtoto wangu inakuwa kwa kazi, unajua wewe umpendi Mungu. You don't love God. Wow. Just saying it.
Ndamaka. That's so amazing. Ndake na muno ni guka kugayana rugano ru na ithui. Nijue twina ihinda inene nene ona makiria ria kuhunjia haha. Na nijue testimony yaku no twarengaga kundu kuingi for the sake of the time. No nijue no gucoka probably next week. Kera ukinjithagira mathaa. Hunjia injiri. Gutiri undu ungi utigarite. I know it's been difficult ona kuhunjia injiri kuri uri wira-ini tondu riu no amenya riu o ni mwito na mwito ni muritu nginya wa gutungatira Ngai tutari wiko ni menyerete kuoya ka bribe handuri we ni hogo igwa kiugo ni go igwa kiugo no gekuhana mbego iria andu aria maheirwo taranda kurigwa acabe no njigwe no to nginya njike uri oroiga tondu ngai akiri batha nyingi assumption ya mundu guguo ri ona mbegu iria cia ikiro imwe ikegwa meigwa-inĩ rĩ ndui kiugo no ta mbegu icio kuri athire tĩri-inĩ mũnoru ngĩkĩgĩa mahiga igũrũ ngĩmeigwa-inĩ koguo kiugo kĩu rĩ no kĩrĩ find no gĩgũkora handũ hanoru tondũ kũrĩ o andũ amwe magĩtuĩkĩte macenjetie out of gũthikĩrĩria and I still believe ona arĩa megũthikĩrĩria rũgano rũrũ kũrĩ andũ mekũigua I need to nĩ ndĩrabatara gũcoka magomano-inĩ ma njĩra ndĩte kamũcemanio rĩngĩ na mũndũ aikia kĩratũ-inĩ gĩakwa yũria korwo nĩ niĩ rĩ nĩ ingĩarũgamire na Ngai nginya ndagĩka ya mũthia ũkĩrĩ risk we yani ũkathiĩ training na skirt anyway nĩmuone wega gũ sacrifice ra Ngai nĩgetha Ngai nake ga sacrifice nĩ ũndũ witũ rĩu ndigũgwĩtĩkĩria tũthiĩ na mbere andũ mathaa makwa nĩ mahĩtũkire ngũgwĩtĩkĩria tũkĩrĩkĩrĩria rĩ ũnjĩre atĩrĩrĩ I know it has not been easy gũtungata thĩinĩ wa borithi ũkĩhunjagia what is one scenario yana kũ disappoint mũno hĩndĩ ũrahunjia thĩinĩ wa career-inĩ yaku nĩ ũndũ ũrĩkũ wanaigua na wakũritũhĩra mũno na no ũtige kũhunjia
thĩinĩ wa career yakwa by the way niĩ ta mũborithi njuaga Ngai mbere any other thing yenye inaweza kuja katikati ya Mungu I prefer hiyo iende so mimi sijapata shida
no nduna hata pesa tu walira tu
okay besa niguo by the way besa oro ako no kale Jesu ugira atiriri if you want to be my disciple you must deny yourself take up the cross and follow me Iyo odohoro jwa self denial ri taru akoro riu tiwo turaga na Jesu thĩinĩ waku mahaki ndũkuoya your life should be straight so korwo we straight uguo you have to do something mbesa na igũthiĩ we irathi ũkĩonaga we
ukero nĩ sawa ti uhoro Kristo we
financial challenges okay ndiku atiriri okay bro cio akũkorwo nĩ ũragĩa mbeca nĩ ũreka tu shortcut uguo tondũ by the way mbeca ndũ magĩaga mbeca na ndũ na gũthiĩ shortcut na kiki but yeah unaona sasa you have to be straight and that is it you manage the small that you have ona
kirathime
ona Jesu John the Baptist alisema you police be satisfied with your payment so kenini uguo just manage that one
okay
yeah
wow no atari undu muhuthu ucio kuri aruti wira aria no Ngai ne guthii gwethetha
nima
Ngai athiaga oete omwe
kana kiuga atiriri godliness with contentment is great gain
okay koguo Ngai arathia oete omwe akimucenjagia
sure
all right kioke muico tukirikiririe kuri your colleagues and the society
kiugo kia mwisho my colleagues and my society ni kwa mera atiriri Jesus is coming soon Jesus is coming soon and you need to be ready wewe kama hutakuwa tayari wewe ndio ukorwo wiharĩirie ri utawachwa kana no ukuo na rapture takinyete so as a church we are preparing for rapture get ready na njugaga atiri nange mahunjire mera atiri this delay ya Jesu gukorwo atacokete thaa ici ri it is tactical delay
all right
because ikupatie nafasi wewe na mwingine wajitayarishe
okay
yeah
toya namba ya thimu nĩ ndwa mũndũ ũngĩgwa biũ nĩ arabatara mentorship nĩ arabatara ahunjĩrio biũ nĩwe nginya one Kristo rĩ nĩ abataire kũrũmĩrĩrwo tondũ he andũ mabataraga nginya testimony teno nĩgetha metĩkie thamiri yao ndĩramahenagia
sure namba yakwa nĩ 0724 433 816
macokere kahora
0724 816 0724 433 816
okay
yeah
all right
yeah
good ni ndacokia ngatho Inspector Sophia Wangeci makuria Gigiri diplomatic police Ngai athia kwambararĩte rĩu wĩra ya gũtuĩka nginya OCS okay rĩu nĩ wega ũguo na tũgũkũhoera wambate piũ
amen
tukaigua we Inspector General
amen
tumenye borithi ciothe ciahonoka Wow, thank you so much. God bless you. Niko tosherera. Asante sana toke na muno.
Okay,
thank you so much. Tumana Inspector Sophia Wangeshi kuma kule Gigiri Diplomatic Police na kwanga igwe shama. Kuligana uria ndaigwa njerohera ringi makiria ngai ucio na gutire kindu kiega ta tumuhunjite kwa jahidi na ya Easter ni njui ni undu gukorwo kiamukiro na njira njega muno makiria na tokorwo thamiri yaku iretereire confirmation ino ati oguo reka no ukurugama na ngai na gutire mundu gukwenyenya kana ni ucio kwandikite kana ni atia kana ni guthia atia na ngai no akurugama nake nawe no ndona ta ngai ararugama na mundu rugamite nake no nginya tetere uhonokio waku nigetha ngai arugame nawe ni ndikwaria muno tukurikiria hau tabarira no rugamiriro ni Express Terrazzo Center ni gukuhete ciao ndigutinda ngicicokera ngukuhe namba ya thimu makoragwo haria Eastern Bypass ire ya Kamakizo hetuke RFH Hospital mita 300 ni ukumona handu hetagwo Karuguru o hau faraini magetheire Eastern Bypass 0798333000 0798333000 iyo niyo namba area ukumahurira kagweshia na Kala Gardens kule mwana wa Konza courtesy of Hekalu Company Limited ruguru wa CEO Alfred ule umagarita gucamania na customer itu akimatwaragira title deeds kule US gatakati kama undu mangi maigerathi kuginya igomano cia a Kenya aria mari kou aria marenda weka investment. Project ino ya Nakala trade ya cash 495 urihana mieri eri installment 595 urihana mieri 5 deposit of 100,000 na golide project ino ere mita 800 na kuma Old Mombasa Road na kuma gate ni ya Konza 3 to 5 kilometers ni handu hega muno ugeigithia na dukerira mundu witu ni kundu kumwe gwa kuria a Kenya marero maigithie na njira nene. Don't forget KAIST University area ni university ya iri kuhingurwo Konza iraruguru in the next 2 months 1 or 2 months nigwera heo chata ni mutongoria wa bururi ririkana ni ariga kuhe is Open University of Kenya na ndukariganirwo Riara University ni ambiriirie gwako kuria Konza o hamwe na maundu maingi muno marathie na mbere kuo namba ya thimu ndigetha nguikirie mafu ujoke gukundia horo uyu wothe kahora wa Konza uikoni ugubatara gutukira 0798008008 0798008008. God bless you so much. Tagino gwirorera Farodhi wa Thayo TV ndukawimio ta subscribe ite na nigetha maundu maya mothe matigakwatukage. Bye bye. Konza International Techno City ni jiji linalowaunganisha wawekezaji wa kimataifa kote duniani. Huu sio mradi wa kubahatisha, kwani serikali imeupa kipaumbele na kuhakikishia Wakenya itafanya juhudi ya kuukamilisha kwa muda unaofaa. Kwa sasa miradi kabambe imeshika kasi, ikiwemo vyuo vikuu kama vile Open University of Kenya, KAIST University, Riara University na viwanda mbalimbali kama kile cha ushafishaji wa maji ya kutumika, yani water treatment plan, na vingine kama garbage collection automated system. Konza ni mji unaotarajiwa kuleta wawekezaji watakaofanya upanuzi mkubwa wa kibiashara ndani na nje ya mji huu.
We intend to build a modern center for construction industry development in Kenya. So there will also be a broad-based research for cheaper, affordable materials to go into the entire construction industry.
Nasi Hekalu Company Limited tunakuletea Nakala Gardens Konza iliyo kati ya kilomita 3 hadi 5 kutoka main gate ya Konza International Techno City na mita 800 kutoka Old Mombasa Road. Ni kipimo cha 50 by 100 kwa shilingi 495,000 pekee. Ulipe cash kwa miezi 2 au 595,000 ulipe pole kwa miezi 5. Deposit ni shilingi 1,100 pekee. Kumbuka, bei hii ni pamoja na hati miliki. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0789 008 008 au 0706 002338. Hekalu Properties Limited, Farm Foundation. gwa kahinda karaya matuko-inĩ mathiangu andũ mangĩakire nyũmba matiakorogaga mamĩtigaga tĩri thĩinĩ wa floor. Magĩũka macenjetie ũrĩa mĩaka yathiaga o nginya makĩanjia gũkoroga floor. Ũndũ ũyũ ndũikarire mũno, matataũkĩirwo nĩ njĩra ĩngĩ ya gũtũma floor ĩnyorokio na ya kũle Dockside na makĩona ta yathakara, no maikaikara magĩciria anga tiles nĩ cingĩatũmire floor ĩyo ĩgeme ona makĩria. No marora floor ĩyo matiaiganĩrire, nĩ kuona harĩ ũthaka wagĩte wa mahũa na kĩndũ gĩtekwenyũkanga ona kĩngĩnyihia heho nĩ ũndũ wa ciana na andũ akũrũ. Rĩu ĩtĩkia kana ũrege, hau nĩho mataũkĩirwo nĩ wega wa gwĩkĩra terrazzo floor-inĩ ciothe, corridor-inĩ, stairs, flat roof igũrũ, cioro, riko, bafu na nja na kũngĩ kũingĩ. O rĩmwe makĩona gwathakara, ngoro ciao ikĩiganĩra, na nĩkĩo rĩu Express Terrazzo Center Bypass ĩrĩ haha nĩguo gũkinyĩrĩria itanya rĩaku harĩ wĩkĩri wa terrazzo floor-inĩ ya nyũmba ĩyo ũraka guothe bũrũri-inĩ. Mafundi maitũ nĩ mohĩgĩrĩire harĩ wĩkĩri wa terrazzo na ũbacĩrĩri mũnene, magĩtũmĩra materials cia gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra wendi wa ngoro yaku nĩ wahinga. Express Terrazzo Center Bypass tũkwendagĩria materials na tũgagwĩkĩra installations. Tũcerere Ruiru bypass ya Kamakis harĩa Karũgũrũ wahĩtũka RFH Hospital, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ 0798 333 000.